Hello friends, I am Dr. Himanshu Sharma. Today in this video lecture I am going to discuss electronic devices. Before discussing electronic devices in detail, I would like to discuss what is electronics. There two definitions are given. Electronics is the branch of physics which deals with flow of electrons in vacuum, gas or semiconductors. The second definition is electronics is the field of science and engineering which deals with electronic devices and their applications. Now, after understanding the electronics, now we can discuss electronics devices. So, what are electronic devices? The semiconductor devices which can perform various operations like rectification, that is AC to DC conversion, switching operation, that is on-off, amplification, that is to increase the amplitude of any signal, or controlling of a signal are called electronic devices. For example, resistors, capacitors, inductors, diodes, transistors, FET, MOSFETs, solar cells, LED, etc. These are the some of the common examples of electronic devices. Now we will see types of electronic devices. There are two types of electronic devices. Number one, active devices. Number two, passive devices. The active electronic devices are those which are able to supply energy to the circuit. The passive devices are those electronic devices which cannot provide the energy to the circuit. These are the examples of active devices. Number one, bipolar junction transistor, BJT. Then field effect transistor, FET. Then metal oxide semiconductor, field effect transistor, MOSFET, and solar cells. So these all are the active devices because they can supply or they can drive the electronic circuit by themselves. Now passive devices, the passive devices cannot supply energy to the circuits. They just dissipate the energy between them, like in case of resistors, or they can store the electrical energy in them like capacitors and inductors. So these are the passive components, that is resistors, capacitors, inductors, simple PN junction diodes. My friends, simple PN junction diode is a passive device. Most of the people are confused about the PN junction diode, in which category should be placed. It should be placed under the active devices or passive devices. So it should be placed below the passive devices category because it cannot supply the energy to the external circuit. Then the another example of passive devices is LED. Now I will show you a real life example of a solar panel. This is a solar panel. This solar panel consists of many solar cells connected between them in series and parallel. So this is example of active devices. It converts the light energy into the electrical energy. I have connected a light emitting diode. I have connected a light emitting diode to this solar panel. When the light falls upon this solar panel, then this LED starts glowing. This is light emitting diode. This is glowing because it is placed under the light incidence. So the LED is a passive device and the solar cell is a active device. Now we will see in more detail about the electronic devices. Now we will see symbols of electronic devices. This is very important topic for circuit analysis. Now we will see symbols of electronic devices. As we have already discussed, there are two types of electronic devices, that is active devices and passive devices. and these are their corresponding symbols. So let us start with active devices. First of all, the BJT of NPN type has this symbol. In this symbol, it has three terminal, that is base terminal, collector terminal and emitter terminal. The collector and emitter terminal are made of N-type semiconductor, but base is made of P-type semiconductor. Therefore, it becomes NPN transistor. The next active device is FET. It has three terminal, that is drain, gate and source terminal. The next device in this category is MOSFET. MOSFETs are of two types, that is P channel and N channel. Here I have shown only P channel MOSFET. If you reverse this arrow, then it will become N channel MOSFET. It also has three terminal. The construction of MOSFET is same as FET, just with the difference that here an SiO2 layer, silicon dioxide layer, is made at the gate terminal to increase the input impedance. It is used to reduce the noise signal at the input of the amplifier. It has an extra terminal called as substrate terminal or body terminal. The next component is solar cell. This is solar cell. It has two terminal, anode terminal and cathode terminal. When the light is incident or falls upon the surface, then the current starts flowing through the solar cell. Now we will see passive device component symbol. First is resistor. It has two terminal. It is bipolar, means the current can flow in both direction. Capacitor, this is a parallel plate capacitor symbol. This is inductor. One coil or one wire with some rounds is known as inductor. Then simple PN junction diode. It has two terminals, anode and cathode terminal. And light emitting diode, that is LED. It also has two terminals, and when the battery is connected to it, the light is emitted from it. So these are the symbols of important electronic devices.